So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a border around an image on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up and you have an image that you want to add a border to, it's pretty straightforward. Press on your image right here, go to the top right, make sure that style is selected. Go down to where it says border. Now if you see this, it means that there's no border selected. Press on no border, go ahead and press on line just like this. Now as you can tell, there's a black line around it, but if you wanted to change this to a different color, so let's just go ahead here and go with green, for instance. You can go ahead and make it thicker or thinner. You can go ahead and change the style of the line as well, whatever you're sort of looking for right here. But pretty much that's how you guys can do it. If you want to get rid of this as well, you can kind of change the border style. You can make it more round. You can make it a solid border, whatever the case may be. It's completely up to you. But that is how to add a border around an image on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.